Are you curious about how doctors can make money on YouTube? In this video, I am sharing my YouTube income as a doctor and a part-time content creator for the year 2022. Please watch this video till the end to find out how much money I have earned and the challenges and opportunities of being a content creator on YouTube, as well as working full-time as a doctor in the UK. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suman and I am an Indian doctor who has had the opportunity to work and live in the UK. In my videos, I want to share my experience of working as a doctor in the UK and offer advice and tips for those who are interested in making the move to work in the UK as a doctor. Thank you for joining me on this journey and I look forward to connecting with you through my videos. Let's learn and grow together. I am running this YouTube channel for last 2 years now, and from my experience, I can assure you that doctors can generate an income from YouTube. YouTube is a platform where you consume content for free, but as a creator, you can get paid by YouTube. However, it is important to note that generating income from YouTube can be a challenging and extremely unpredictable endeavor. And the amount of income a person can generate will depend on a variety of factors, such as the quality and popularity of their content, their audience size and demographics, and the demand for their niche. You might ask, despite being a practicing doctor and earning a decent living, why am I making videos on YouTube to earn some extra money? In short, there are three main reasons why YouTube income can be an excellent source of extra income for doctors. Number one is flexibility. YouTube allows creators to make videos on their own time from a location of their choice and at their own pace, which can be a good feat for those who value flexibility and autonomy. Number two is the opportunity to earn a passive income. Once a video is published on YouTube, it has the potential to continue generating income through views and ad revenues, even when the creator is not actively working on their channel. And number three is career opportunities. YouTube has a massive global audience, which means that creators have the potential to reach a large number of people, and most importantly, they can reach businesses, and thus they can generate a significant amount of impact and hence income. YouTube can open up career opportunities for established professionals like myself in a variety of allied fields such as medical education and marketing. I have personally benefited from this and I will shortly start a new career in 2023 outside my main NHS job only because of the reach that my YouTube channel have offered me. Now on to the income update for 2022. I will discuss the individual income from each of different income streams which forms part of my overall YouTube revenue. The first income stream is YouTube AdSense. YouTubers can earn money through ads that play before or during their videos. The amount of money earned will depend on the number of views the video receives and the amount that the advertisers are willing to pay. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to be in good standing with YouTube, have 4,000 public watch hours and in the previous 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers. I fulfilled this criteria in January 2022 after 1 year of making videos on YouTube and finally got monetized. At present, my channel earns £1.38 per 1,000 views and the advertisers pay £2.38 every 1,000 times ads are shown on my videos. In last 1 year, I made £338.58 from the AdSense revenue on my YouTube channel. As you can see here that this income is quite variable from month to month and depends on the views generated on that particular month. Interestingly, my top earning videos are not related to medicine and not necessarily the ones which are getting the maximum number of views. It is important to remember this to decide on the content strategy of your channel. For example, personal finance videos get a lot more money than any other topic about doctors and their careers. The most profitable part of YouTube business is the opportunity to earn affiliate income. In some of my videos, I might talk about some products or services and also provide a clickable link or a referral code. If you decide to purchase the product based on my recommendation and use my code, then I get paid a small commission from the company, but you don't pay anything extra. When I started my channel, I used to reach out to different businesses and request them to provide me with an affiliate link. As the number of subscribers increase on my channel, some companies have started approaching me to do videos for them. In this kind of videos, you will see a sponsored tag at the beginning of the video on the top corner, which makes it very clear that this is a promotional content. This is similar to the financial disclosures that we doctors need to make while writing an article for a journal or delivering a lecture in a conference. In 2022, I made £848.53 through affiliate income alone. This includes income from individual companies as well as affiliate income from Amazon website, both in India and in UK. A big thank you to all of you who chose to use my links to purchase any product in last 1 year. The third income stream from my YouTube channel is Super Thanks. This was undoubtedly the most satisfying part of my income from my YouTube channel. You might have noticed that on my YouTube videos, there is a Super Thanks button at the lower part of the screen where you can choose to donate some money to my YouTube channel. A special shout out to two persons. One of them is a doctor from Malaysia. I know this because he reached out to me through email. I don't know the second person, but there is someone who generously donated to my how to create a poster video. I am at a loss of words to express my gratitude for your love and your appreciation. Thank you very much. I really hope that I can continue to provide some value to you through my videos in the future. So the total income in 2022 from three income sources on my YouTube channel, that is YouTube AdSense, affiliate income and Super Thanks, is £1187.11. And out of that, I spent £294.61 on different expenses like buying software and subscriptions, leaving me with a profit of £892.5. Now the problem with this is that by next year I will have to submit a self-assessment tax return as my YouTube income has crossed the threshold of £1,000 in the current financial year. I want to thank each and every one of you for supporting my YouTube channel and for being a part of this amazing community. Your views, comments and shares mean the world to me and help to keep me motivated to continue creating content for you. I'm excited to see what the future holds for my channel, and I hope you will continue to join me on this journey. Thank you again for your support and wish you a very happy new year.